Welcome back to the session. So now we are moving to the two number logarithm in base A. So let's dive into the logarithm in base A. So up to now we have studied the logarithm in base 10, and the base 10 is the natural logarithm. So now we define the logarithm in the base A. Now for example, let's go with example so that you could understand. So the logarithm in base A of B, so the logarithm in base A of B is that is the power that A must be raised power that A must be raised to in order to obtain B. So logarithm in base A of B is the power that A must be raised to in order to obtain the B. For example, suppose log 2 of 8. Previously here it used to be a what happened, log 2 of 8. So previously here it used to be 10, but right now it is 3. That means when 2 is raised to the power 3, it gives 8. As simple as that. Since we know 2 to the power 3 is 8, that means log 2 to the power 8 means answer is 3. I hope you got it, right? Similarly, now let us dive deep more into it. So that means when a power x is equals to b, then we can write x is equals to log a power b. That means if I can write a to the power x is equals to b, then I can write this, right? A x is equals to, when the log with the base a b, then I can write x. So here we did a very good explanation of this. So these two are equivalent. So a power x is equals to b is same as writing log ab is equals to x. So always remember this concept. This is very much useful. So for example, so let's dive into the previous. Suppose when log 10 1 2 3 is equals to, this means power 3, right? So this can also be written as 10 power 3 is equals to 1000. So now in this case 10 is a, 3 is x, this is b, and now I can write log a power b is equals to x, same as this. Hence this is proved, right? Now let us deep dive more into it. Now one more thing. So if you see 3 power 4 by 81, how can it write into log? This means a power x is equals to b, right? If this is the case, we can write that log a power b is equals to x. That means log 3 power 81 is equals to 4. Does that make sense to you? This is as easy as this, right? Okay. Now let us practice more. Now next questions. Log 2 power 16. This means log 2 times 2 power 4. that is our answer is 4, right? Next question. Log 5 power 0.2, that means 0.2 means 1 by 5, right? I can write that means log 5, 1 by 5 means 5 power minus 1, so the answer is minus 1. Now if this and this becomes same, power becomes the answer. If these 5 and 5 becomes the same, power becomes the answer. You know that, right? Similarly, log 10 5 power 100, that means I can write log 10 100 upon 1 by 5, right? So and log 10 100 means 10 power 2, so that is 2 by 5, power same, answer becomes 2 by 5. Easy, right? This is this much easy. So I think you are getting my point, and it's very easy and very useful concept. So let's do one more example. Log 2 1 over root 2. How can I write this? Log 2 1 over root 2 becomes 2 power 1 minus 1 by 2, right? And log 2, so yeah, 2 and 2 same, so the power becomes the answer, minus 1 by 2. Okay, now let us do more example in similar way. We are doing more example. Now solve for x such that find the value of x is equals to 5. What you can write? This means when 3 is raised to the power x, it gives 5, right? Isn't it? When 3 is raised to the power 5, it becomes x. Similarly, using the concept that x is equals to 8, right? Same concept. A to the power x is equals to x log ab. So using the same concept, we can find this. Okay. Oh, sorry. So 3 to the power 5 is 243. Not to worry, that's a simple mistake. I think we have covered everything in the generalizing the engine of base A. Base A could be anything. Here it becomes the 2 to the power 3. But always remember this. You don't just remember, you need to have a good understanding of this. Once you get the good understanding of this, this is nothing.